Need your loving, so fresh, so clean. Love me in and out, unfailingly. And I'll be down now. Anytime you call me, I'll be down. I'll be down. Because I love and I love and I love and I love you only. Because I need and I need and I need and I need.
I'm back with a human wig that I am very, very excited about because it's from Unice, and you know Unice are one of my most favorite places to get human hair from. So I know I'm gonna like what's inside this box. All I've done was take this out of the shipping packaging because, like always, I want to do everything on camera with you guys. So the unit comes in this beautiful pink box that we know now is iconic for Unice. It is magnetic. I don't know if y'all can see those circle magnets there at the top, which makes it easy for storage. Inside the box, we have the wig, and we do have some extras from Unice. We have an edge band with a replacement head, or an edge comb, I'm sorry, with a replacement head. We have some pre-everything tabs. This is a pre-everything wig that we're about to look at. We have a thin edge band with this little hearts on it. We have a silk storage case with their branding on it. And we have 2 packs of HD wig caps. Okay. Now I'm gonna put all this down in the description box, but I'll read it what's on here as well. This is a 13x4 pre-everything wig. It is 24 inches long and it's a loose wave, but what I'm super excited about is the color. Let's take it out of this packaging. Okay, so y'all know I have loved these bang wigs that Unice has released, and I have them in blonde, I have them in, you know, just the normal black, but I did not have one in a 99J. And so I had to have it, y'all. Look at how pretty that color is. And with 99J or these tones, you never know if the wig is gonna be more red or purple, and this is just like the perfect, like black cherry wig. This is so pretty. I know I'm gonna like the wig because, like I said, I reviewed this wig before in other colors, but not in this color. But I just had to have it. The cap construction on this is abomb.com. You get that 13x4 parting space. You get the pre-everything tabs. They've already put 2 on here, but they send a pack as well. Then in the back, you get an adjustable glueless band. You get this comb, you get adjustable straps, and the drawstring. Y'all, I love these drawstrings on these wigs now. And that's why I buy this bang wig so much, because it is so beginner friendly, it's super affordable, and it's super cute and versatile. You can do so much with this unit. Let me show you this texture and stuff up close. The color is just so pretty to me. Yeah, this is just a gorgeous wig, and I know that I'm going to like this. This will not take long at all. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the roller out, I'll brush it out, I'll give you a 360, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts, you guys. Be right back.
Love me in and out, unfailingly. And I'll be down now. Anytime you call me, I'll be down. I'll be down. Because I love and I love and I love and I love you only. Because I need and I need and I need and I need you more. Yeah, you know I run and I run and I run and I run. Fly in the sky in the night. Hold me in your arms and your love and your light. I'm on your wave right now. I'm on your wave right now. Yeah. I'm on your vibe now. You got me on your side now. Yeah, I'm on your wave right now. Oh, yeah. If not you, then I don't wanna know. I don't want no story. Day and night, it's unconditional. Got me living softly. Yeah. Love me, yeah. Love me, tender. You know you love turn me up like never. Anything you want, and I'ma do whatever. Because I love and I love and I love and I love you only. Because I need and I need and I need and I need you more. Yeah, you know I run and I run and I run and I run. Fly in the sky at night. Hold me in your arms and your love and your light. I'm on your wave right now. I'm on your wave right now. right now. Yeah, I'm on your wave right now. Oh, 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 yeah, yeah, yeah. Said, love me, judge, love me tender. 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 You my sugar, my honey, my tender lover. You my sugar, my honey, my tender lover. Yeah, you are my sugar, my honey, my tender lover. My sugar, my honey, my tender lover. Why would you just put me in my mouth and say something? Loving, so fresh, so clean. Love me in and out. I'm feeling lean, and I'll be down now. Anytime you call me, I'll be down. I'll be down. Because I love and I love and I love and I love you only. Because I need and I need and I need and I need you more. Yeah, you know I run and I run and I run and I run.
Alright guys, I'm gonna my final thoughts on this wig by Unice. And y'all know that I'm absolutely in love with this unit. I didn't even actually put it as the bangs. I just kept it as this layered look and pulled some up into a claw clip. And this is what we got. I love that I'm able to do that with a wig because y'all know I'm notorious for if I'm out with family or friends and if the wig is making me too hot, I'm gonna snatch it off. I'm gonna snatch it off. And now with these wigs, how easily I can pull them up and get this tousled, nice, put together look, I'm in love. So far I have this wig in a 412, a blonde color. I have it multiple times over in a black color. And now having this 99J black cherry wig, this is just like the topping on the cake. I absolutely love this wig. I love how beginner friendly it is. I just ran some powder up this part, but if I use my tinting spray, I know that it would look even better. I'm not a baby hair type of person, but you could also lay down some baby hairs to make it look better. The only thing that I utilized really was the drawstring, and I did those, what do you call them? Pre-everything tabs right here on the side and the drawstring, and I feel like this wig is so secure on my head. Right? So I do recommend this one, whether you are a wig slayer or if you're a beginner, someone like me that can't really comb hair. I think you're gonna love this unit. If you look in the description box, I'm going to definitely put a direct link to this particular unit, but I encourage you to look around on their site because say you like this wig but not the color, they do have it in, like I said, a black, they do have it in a blonde. They have it, just look around on their website. You will definitely find something that you love on Unice, y'all. Talk to me in the comments. Tell me what your thoughts are on this color because it is my color right now. Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon. Bye, guys.
So fresh, so clean. Love me in and out. I'm feeling lean, and I'll be down now. Anytime you call me, I'll be down. I'll be down. Because I love and I love and I love and I love you only. Because I need and I need and I need and I need you more. Yeah, you know I run and I run and I run and I run. Fly in the sky in the night. Hold me in your arms and your love and your light. I'm on your wave right now. I'm on your